great venue here, really nice.
The sort of atmosphere is really nice.
I think it's the best venue, that's why we chose to come here rather than Porthcawl.
It's a hub for activity.
Outstanding thing to have in Llanelli.
One of the best venues, I think, in the country at the moment.
It's just what this town needs. Very friendly theatre.
The theatre's lovely. It's got a nice setting, comfortable seats.
It's beautiful theatre. It's fantastic.
Even though the old theatre is good, this is a step above.
Oh, it's superb. It does everything. You know, it has a bar, it has a cafe.
Yeah, everything you need here. Drinks and snacks. And
It's a pleasure to come to. It's professional, it's well laid out, and there's something for everybody, all ages, to enjoy.
Well, all the stuff I've seen here is really good. There's a lot of variety.
This is the third time we've been, and it gets better every time we come.
my group of friends and I, we like to come and see all the different varieties of shows that are put on here.
After a production like we've seen tonight, the Phantom of the Opera, we're coming again, yes. Yeah.
I have been interested in coming to other events, but they always seem to be booked up quite quickly.
Would be...
Oh no then.
3 words. Awesome local talent. Absolutely fantastic experience. Comfortable, everything you need.
Well worth it.
A wonderful experience.
Brilliant.
Great.
Cool.
Exciting.
Captivating.
Very good.
Excellent quality. Good.
Awesome.
Exciting.
Absolutely superb.
Clean.
Really impressive.
Convenient, yes.
Fresh, warm and welcoming.
I'll come back. That'll be 3 words.